Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here. I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing of this wig I got, this frontal wig, HD frontal wig, and I bought it from Isee Hair. This is the first time I've ever purchased from Isee Hair, and I'm excited. I got my appointment booked to put it on, and hopefully it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. So, alright, this is the packaging. Like, I literally just got to say, this is the packaging that came in from DHL. I paid for express shipping, so it did come quick for me. What was it like? It's like 3 days earlier, because today is the April 26th, and it said it would come April 28th. And I did need it to come earlier, so, yeah. Shout out to DHL, shout out to Isee Hair for getting that package on the, getting it on the delivery truck. Okay, this is kind of hard to rip. Okay, so it comes with this foam package to protect it and a pink box. Gotta love the pink. That's my favorite color. Alright. Now we have the box. Isee Hair. Alright. How do you open this? I'm opening it now. Gonna open it up. Damn, I'm just opening the box. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I ripped the box up. Alright, so let's turn it. And this is the box. And it says, love yourself, be yourself, right there. That's so cute. And it comes with their little Isee thing. Oh, she's so cute on there. And nothing else came out. Alright, so we have the wig. It is 26, and I got a Malaysian. I chose Malaysian. I never had Malaysian, so I don't know, just trying things. High density, I did get the 250 density. They gave you a little bonnet, a little edge brush, a little scrunchie, a little band, I guess, for the wig, just in case it's big. They gave you some lashes. Ooh, these are actually nice. The lashes are actually nice. Yeah. Love it. Let's just see. Isee. Oh. They gave little press-ons. That's so cute. Little press-ons. So cute. Can you see it? Little press-on. Okay, it comes with a little silk bag. I don't know what you're supposed to use that for. A wig cap. Not my color. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole bag. Okay, so let's get into the good part. The wig. And sorry if you hear background noise. I'm gonna try to see if I can edit it out, but honestly I think I'm just gonna put this video up here like this. This came from work, and it is what it is, baby. Taking it back to old school. Okay, no edits. Okay, so this is the hair, and I got the loose deep, I believe. If I can find it, I'll put it in the description box. Also, the link for it as well, I'll put it in the description box. But this is the hair. It looks luscious, doesn't it? It feels good too. Okay, so it feels good. Like, it's soft. It's really soft. Like, no lie, it's soft. The smell, it smells like that typical like Asian hair, but it doesn't smell like chemical. It smells like the good smell of Asian hair. I've been fingering through it. No shedding has happened, and it is the hair is 26 inches, and it's loose deep Malaysian frontal, supposed to be HD lace. I guess I don't know. I don't really need. This is the first time I'm buying HD wig. I don't know if it's supposed to be pre-plucked, but it does look a little bit pre-plucked. I think that's it. I'm not going to be doing anything to this wig. I'm going to a stylist here in my city that will be putting this on for me. So ain't gonna be no mess ups, hopefully. And yeah. What's that? Oh, it's a little like thread. That's not a good look. It's a little thing. Could be some blended hairs in here. How much did I pay for this hair? I will put that in the description box below because they didn't actually add like a receipt to say how much I paid, but I know it was a little bit over 300. And I did have a discount code and they were having a sale. So the original price was $5 and I got it for $3 something. So yeah, I'm very much excited to try this Isee hair, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching and tune in for updates.